Hey folks, what is up? It is Kevin and it is Friday evening and we're about to get hit with a tropical storm Talas. Now, I don't know, am I skeptical? The last few times we were supposed to get hit with a big storm, it actually veered away at the last moment and we didn't really get anything more than a bit of rain. Yeah, so here I am. It's outside of Senemia Station, downtown Kobe, and the calm before the storm. It's been raining steadily for quite a while. And we got a weather warning now, not advisory, but a warning, which is a notch up. And apparently they say it's going to dump a crap load of rain and be pretty nasty. So I guess like later tonight is when it's really going to kick in. And I'll keep you guys posted, so see you later.